Welcome back to the channel, guys. Thanks for coming back here. I know there's a lot of issue with my audio and stuff. Need to get a better mic here, but I'll just uploading in the meantime, just for the fun of it. So I'll just go over my trade quickly here. I won't spend much time. I did change my candle to I always struggle to pronounce this, Heikin Ashi candle here from the regular candles. The white lines are the levels I was paying attention to on the daily chart. This was the details of the previous day candle, so these are the levels I was looking at and see how we're going to operate from these levels here. So on the day, let me open my simulator trading up here if I can find it. Just give me one moment here. So yeah, on the day we made $493. That's with $1,000. That's the most I've ever made simulator trading. Honestly, I'm actually impressed by that, and it's all because of this candle here, man. These candle, the Heikin Ashi candle. Honestly, I never would have thought it would have been this good, honestly. But the reason why I like it because it eliminates the constant pullback issue that I have, because a lot of times I might see my setup, but then I enter, and then because of the amount of pullback that'll happen on the regular candles, sometimes it doesn't give me enough confidence to say, you know what, this one, like, it might look like it's going to reverse, but then it doesn't. And it's like I look back on the trade, I'm like, wow, I exited, and then the trade will move like $2 or $1, and I'm like, oh wow, it's just sad. So with this now, it really helps. So yeah, these are the levels I was watching, and I was looking for an entry. So I used a 9 EMA and the candle, in the sense that I'm looking for a candle to open just above the 9 EMA, like a very full-on candle, not the wiki ones, like a full opening one like here. So I saw it right above the 9 EMA, and I entered right there, and I was looking for a trade up to here. So I think I ended up cutting it on this one right here, the first one right here. I took a trade up to there, and I think that was my first trade of the day. I don't remember how much I was up, to be honest. Genuinely, I reset the account from the previous day, but as I had made a bunch of losses. But yeah, I took this one here. I don't remember exactly how much I made. Genuinely, I don't remember. I think only the last one I remember exactly how much I made. I was trading on my phone actually. And so yeah, I saw, okay, price coming up here. After this one, I sort of just got out just in case, because I saw, okay, we're resisting here. So I just got out there, take profits there. And I saw, okay, we're consolidating here a bit, so I drew a line here. Second trade was right here at this area here, right here. And then another profit again here as well. So right at the break, boop, I entered right up here. It was like perfect. At this point, the candle would have, I believe the candle was like right here or something, and I got it pushed up to there. I don't remember exactly, but that's where the area was when I entered, and I was very confident that, yeah, I think this one's gonna go up, it's gonna break out here. And then I got in right there. I got in early actually. I shouldn't say that I got another break. I got in here, if I'm being honest. I think it was here, and I anticipated the break. That's when I cut out right as soon as I realized it's gonna touch down my line there. Then I didn't trade any of this. I didn't trade any of this at all until I saw this pullback here to this line. I was like, this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful setup right here. Beautiful, beautiful setup here. I'm lying with, no, I keep forgetting. I traded this one actually. This right here I traded. Took a quick trade down. I didn't hold it all the way down. I sold it. I saw it pull back, and I was like, wow, good thing I sold. And it came down, it broke, and then I entered here again, and I took profit right at this line right here. I remember drawing a line here. came down and it broke. I believe I entered here, take profits like right here, and I believe when I took the profit it actually broke the line, so I sold at a very good time. Very quick one, very quick trade. And then now this is where my last trade of the day, actually my very last trade of the day, was this one right here. Oops, this one right here. I was like, wow, this looked like a inverse head and shoulder here. It's like price came up, came down, came up, came down, all the way down there. But I was using this one, obviously. Came up, came all the way down, came up. So I was like, okay, I'm watching this level here. I'm watching this level here. But I was watching here, I believe. This right here. I wasn't really paying attention to this much because I was more focused on this, and I was like, oh wow, perfect setup, perfect. I entered right here, right early, like right down here. And then I saw the price move up, and I remember how much I made off of this one. Just quick trap. By that point, I was already up like $400 and something. I was buying like 7 contracts. Price pushed up, I entered here, price pushed up, and I sold right at the top right here, this line right here. It was like $49, I think, something like that, if I remember correctly. And that was it. Quick trade on the day, very quick trade. I have these lines I was playing them, but it didn't really have much because I think I was just using my regular lines, to be honest. So yeah, these that was pretty much it for the day. I realized that the let me look at it again. Heikin Ashi candle, man, I love it. It very fit my style. It very much fit my style of trading. Like, it gave me a bit more confidence. When I see that green candle, I'm like, okay, price kind of going back now for sure. We're getting a lot of buyers because typically, even if there are green candles in between here, you realize that sometimes they're still red, right? Where was I looking? Let's see, for example, in these areas here. So you get a bunch of red candle. The first green candle you get is like right there. Versus when you check here, you see you get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 green candles there. And then I get 1, 2, 2, and then I get 1, 2, 3 here. What should I get here? So you get 2. So even though you had 3, this was a green one on the other one, but you have 3 here. So to me, I was like, I preferred it that way, to be honest, because I know if it's green on this, I know for sure, okay, buyers are sort of stepping in there, and it gave me a bit more confidence. And yeah, I kind of like it like that because I get to capture a bit more of the move. But me, I take my profits right away. I don't really, once I enter at a good place, if I entered here and I see price touching my line, I don't hold it. I take profits and I wait. I look for another setup again. I say, okay, I got my setup, and trade it to the next line. Oftentimes I don't hold it all the way to the line, but I try to get out. But yeah, I have my moments, I guess. But that was pretty much it for the day. Learning, I switched my strategy up so many times, man. It's crazy, but this one I kind of have a lot more confidence with this one here. I feel like this one I'm gonna practice more on it and see how it goes. I find a lot more forex trader uses, but use this sort of candlestick. But yeah, I'll see how it goes, and I'll practice more and see how I like this one. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one, guys.